You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to our podcast from SDC International Shipping. Are you planning a journey, maybe to Denmark? Moving to Denmark from the United States is more than just a physical relocation. It's a transformative experience that can open doors to a new culture, professional and personal opportunities. Whether you're pursuing a job transfer, embracing retirement, or simply seeking a higher quality of life, Denmark stands out as an attractive destination. It's known for its robust healthcare system, environmentally friendly cities, and family-centric policies. Denmark consistently ranks among the top countries for expats. But as anyone who has undertaken an international move knows, transitioning to a new country involves much more than booking a flight and packing a few suitcases. The logistics of moving your entire household, understanding custom requirements, and ensuring your belongings arrive intact and on time can be overwhelming without the right help. That's where SDC International Shipping steps in. With decades of experience in global relocation, SDC is more than just a moving company. We're your guide throughout the entire process. Our goal is to make your move as seamless and stress-free as possible. From the first phone call, you'll be matched with a dedicated relocation consultant who will work with you to create a personalized plan. We'll help you determine the best shipping methods, whether it's air or sea freight, and provide full packing service using materials approved for international transit. Plus, we handle the complex paperwork involved with custom clearance, so you don't have to worry about getting lost in the red tape. Many families wonder if it's worth shipping household items rather than buying new in Denmark. The answer is often yes. Not only can you save money, but bringing familiar items helps ease the transition into a new home. SDC International Shipping offers solutions tailored to every need, including full container loads for complete home moves and shared containers for smaller shipments. So whether you're bound for the vibrant capital or a quiet town, no, you don't have to navigate this journey alone. With SDC, you have a team that understands the emotional and logistic weight of international moves and knows how to manage both. Get started today by requesting a free quote or give us a call, 877-339-0267.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.